Come get her. Where'd Molly go? Oh, she left it on the stairs. Get your ball. You got the ball. Molly says, will you throw it for me? Molly, look. Throw her the ball. You gonna do it, Molly? You want Molly to go down the slide?
Yeah.
I don't think Molly's gonna go down the slide. You're gonna go down the slide? Go down the slide. There's the ball, that's right. Say, excuse me, Molly. You ready? Go! Do it again. Oh. Carter says, you forgot about me. Hi, Bezos. Are you chewing on your overalls? Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. And